Hi you guys, I just woke up. Today is the 24th of July 2020 and I just turned 26. So I have nothing specific planned for the day. I'm obviously not going to be celebrating because we are in lockdown. But we did cut a cake last night at midnight, my family. Not a cake actually, like an ice cream scoop, but that still counts, right? So today my plan is to just pamper myself, eat lots of cake, drink lots of wine, and maybe meet some close friends. Yeah, so I've just been checking my phone as of now, lots of messages, lots of love, and I'm just gonna go get changed and I'll see you. Hi, I'm back. So I'm all dressed up and honestly I wanted to do a full face of glam in the beginning, but it's just way too hot in Goa here. So now all that's left to do is put on lipstick. I have this one. This is the Chanel something Rouge Allure or something. Rouge Allure Velvet Lipstick in Love Malicious. I've been wearing this every year for my birthday. I think maybe 3-4 years in a row. It's probably expired now. I probably shouldn't be wearing it, but it's okay. It's like a tradition, so I'm just gonna do that. And we are done. I'm all ready. Obviously you can't see my dress because it's just half in the frame, but this is what it looks like. So if you're wondering where I picked it up, I didn't buy it. I actually got it stitched because, you know, supporting local businesses and all of that. So, okay, I'm getting a call, one second. So soon after that, a few friends came over to wish me and we had some wine, we had some snacks that my mom put out for everyone. There were a couple of prawns rissois, there were cheese samosas, chicken. It was really good. So we just spent some time talking, had some really fun conversations, and yeah, then we just went on to cut the birthday cake.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nai. Happy birthday to you.
Then we just went up on the terrace to take some photos because it was nice and bright and sunny until it got really hot. So then we decided to come back to my room and just jam to a couple of songs. Hi guys, so we're switching to this setup because I actually stopped vlogging. I just felt like I wanted to spend proper time with my friends and family who came all the way to meet me in this whole lockdown situation. So I just decided to stop vlogging, but I hope the snippets you saw were fun and entertaining to watch. But yeah, I had a really good time. I had a really great birthday. I was definitely not expecting so many people to come and wish me, but they did. So I feel very blessed and I feel very lucky. Let's get to the interesting part of this video, and that is my birthday gift. I honestly wasn't expecting any gifts this year. I told everybody I don't want gifts, but I guess I just have the best friends and family, so I got lots of gifts. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so the first thing I got are these super cute cat pajamas. Like, I don't know if you guys are following me on Instagram, but I have a white color cat who looks so much like this one. So my friends Mazhar and Priya, they got me this pajama set. Like, the bottoms also have the same cat on them, and it's pink and gray, like two of my favorite colors and my favorite color combination. They also got me a bottle of white wine, which I don't have right now because it's chilling in the fridge. So yeah, super happy to have got this. Then the next thing I got are these wooden sort of boards that you can just put up in the house. So one is this, and it has these clips where you can put like not stick, sorry, just clip your photos onto it. So I'm gonna put this on my wall, and along with that I also got this chalkboard which has these like really cute doorknob sort of situation happening, and yeah, this thing. So, and it's a chalkboard, so I can actually write on it, and this is also going to go up on my wall. These were gifted to me by my friend Advai. He just kept like pestering me, asking me what I wanted, like I think for almost a month, and then finally he got me this, even though I kept telling him please don't get me anything. So yeah, super happy to have got this also. Then next I have this really cute bag. It's a sling bag and it's like a beautiful mint green sort of color. I love this color. This was gifted to me from by my very close friend Sonam. She always knows what I like, and like she just showed up at the last minute. She showed up at my doorstep and got me this, so I'm very thankful and I love it and I can't wait to use it. Of course I'm not going to be going out anytime soon, but when I do, I'm going to use this. So thanks Sonam. Then I have my aunt who got me this huge ass Body Shop hamper. I loved all of this. I loved all of these products, and aside from this she also got me another gift, which is this huge ass frame of me. So I loved how this is edited, and just the oops, it's like black and white and just the lips are red. I don't know where I'm going to put it up. I have to actually find a spot for it, but yeah, love this. And another aunt of mine, well, she's not like a blood related aunt, but I've come to really love her and she's a family friend. She gifted me 2 bottles of wine. So yeah, 1 red wine, 1 white wine. I already finished half of it. As you can tell, I really like my wine. What else did I get? Then I had my uncle who showed up again at my doorstep. I did not invite anyone, to be honest. They just came by and yeah, it was really nice. So they got me a cake, my uncle and his family. Another friend of mine, actually, she's like super paranoid about COVID-19, so she wasn't able to come because she was really scared, and that's fair. But she sent these really cute cupcakes. I'm going to insert a picture because I obviously ate them. So yeah, she sent me these amazing cupcakes which have like everything that I like. Okay, and the last gift that I want to talk about, once again, it's this coffee maker. So Marlon, my boyfriend, gifted me this huge ass coffee maker from Chroma and I absolutely love it. I've been using it now for the past 2 days and I love coffee. I'm like a total coffee addict. So yeah, it was like a very useful and very cute gift also. It just looks so cute in my kitchen. So aside from all of these material gifts, I also had a lot of friends donate to my fundraiser. So Facebook actually has this feature: on your birthday you can start a sort of a fundraiser for any charity that you wish to raise funds for. So I'm currently raising funds for the El Shaddai Foundation in Goa, which is a children's charity, and I had a lot of my friends donate to that, which was very close to my heart. So thank you all, whoever has donated, thank you so much. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And in no way am I trying to like brag through these gifts and stuff. In fact, I was very unsure whether I wanted to show all of these gifts on camera, but I just felt really thankful for getting all of these things because I really wasn't expecting anything this year, and I just feel really blessed and very lucky. So I wanted to share that. So yeah, how did you guys celebrate your birthday? If any one of you celebrated your birthdays during the lockdown, let me know how you celebrated. Or if your birthday is coming up, what do you plan on doing? Let me know, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.